What is the federal minimum wage I should be paid? Imagine working hard every day and wondering if you're being paid what you deserve. Knowing your rights about wages can make a big difference in your paycheck and peace of mind. So, let's break down what the federal minimum wage is and what it means for you. Right now, the federal minimum wage in the United States is $7.25 per hour. This rate has been in place since 2009. It applies to most workers covered by the Fair Labor Standards Act, which includes employees working for businesses involved in interstate commerce or with at least $500,000 in annual sales. But not everyone is paid this rate. Some workers are exempt from the federal minimum wage. These include bona fide executives, many salaried professionals, outside salespeople, seasonal or recreational workers, and independent contractors. If you fall into one of these categories, your pay rules might be different. It's also important to know that many states and local governments have set their own minimum wages higher than the federal level. For example, in 2025, states like California, Washington, New York, and New Jersey have minimum wages ranging from about $15.49 to $16.66 per hour. When your state or city has a higher minimum wage, your employer must pay you the higher amount. There is also a proposed law called the Raise the Wage Act of 2025. This legislation aims to gradually increase the federal minimum wage to $17 per hour by 2030. It also plans to eliminate lower wages for tipped workers, workers with disabilities, and young workers. However, as of now, this bill has not been passed into law, so the federal minimum wage stays at $7.25. Knowing your workplace rights means understanding that you are entitled to at least the federal minimum wage unless your job qualifies for an exemption. Always check your state and local laws because they might offer you a higher wage. Employers are required to pay you the highest applicable minimum wage, federal, state, or local. If you believe your employer is paying less than the minimum wage you're owed, you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division or your state labor agency. Staying informed about wage laws helps you protect your earnings and ensures your employer follows the rules. Remember, knowing your rights is the first step to making sure you're paid fairly for your work.